Hi friends, this is Gautam Adarsh. In the previous video, we have learned about World Food Program WFP because it got Nobel Peace Prize this time. Now we are going to see another part of World Food Program. We are learning through the timeline. In the past, we have learned up to 1998. Okay, September 8, 1988. In part of we have learned up to 1998 September 8. This is the specialty for the not specialty. It's Bangladesh floods. Okay, Bangladesh floods. Bangladesh have been thoroughly affected by the floods. Now we are going to learn from 1999 today onwards. Okay, 1999. Okay, first 1999 Kosovo. Okay, 1999 Kosovo. Kosovo refugees. There are Kosovo refugees. Kosovo refugees are sent to Albania. Kosovo and Albania are two countries, and Kosovo and Albania are two countries. Now Kosovo refugees, the refugees in this country moved to Albania, and they also moved to Macedonia. Albania and Macedonia. Okay, Albania and Macedonia. And for the first time in this project, WFP have started mobile bakeries. Means through mobile bakeries means all done through the technology. Now mobile bakeries are done through, if Kosovo refugees give any letter or anything to this WFP, they will send the food directly to this to them. Now in 2000, in the year of 2000, first this is nothing happened in this year, but there is specialty for WFP because it is set up first UN humanitarian facilitator. It evolved. WFP evolved as first UN humanitarian facilitator. Okay, from facilitator, and there is a report that 90% of workers of WFP work outside Brindisi, Italy. Now what happened is 90% of workers of WFP work outside of Brindisi, Italy, which is a main place for WFP. Now in 2002, it got a Guinness record. This Guinness record tells us largest humanitarian agency in 2002. Actually, it have a Guinness record. Okay, Guinness record of largest humanitarian agency in 2002 because it got this due to the 14,500 staff. 14,500 staff. There are 14,500 people which are working in this WFP, that is World Food Program. Okay, in the year of 2002, in the year of December 9, 2002, what happened is TNT, a technological company, they made agreement with WFP in working for food facilitation. in improving food facility in the world, TNT have made an agreement with December 9, 2002 for 25 years. For 25 years, and up to now it have worked. TNT have worked with WFP in 100 assignments, and 35 operations. In 35 operations and 100 assignments, Now it also explained, now Guinness record also mentioned that 90% are working outside the Rome. Rome is the main place for the WFP. Now in the it got the Guinness record, and in 2003 it started a UN based organization. Let's see what is that organization. In 2003 it started UNHAS. Okay, United Nations Human Air Service. That is what is called as UNHAS. This is an organization which uses air services for humanitarian facilities. Okay, it uses the air services. Now the countries under UN, United Nations, will with their air forces will be helping to UNHAS for using the UN humanitarian facility. Okay, first let's learn what is this UNHAS. Okay, now this UNHAS is very challenging because it uses the air forces. Now nearly 30 we learned in the previous video, it used 30 cargo aircrafts and 12 country air forces. Okay, 30 cargo aircrafts and 12 country air forces. With this inspiration, it started UNHAS in the year of 2003. Okay, in December 26, 2004. In December 26, 2004. Now no one can forget this because there is a massive tsunami in Indian Ocean. This is very important because in Indian Ocean there is a tsunami which is remarked as by which the Indira Point at Andaman Nicobar Islands, Indira Point, this is the last most point of India, is taken off by the tsunami in the Indian Ocean. Now this tsunami caused due to the massive earthquake under Indian Ocean. Due to the earthquake under Indian Ocean, there is a massive tsunami which affected Philippines, India, Sri Lanka, Madagascar, then after Bangladesh, Indonesia, and also Kenya, South Africa. These all countries are affected due to the Indian Ocean because they are on the coast of Indian Ocean. Okay, in the year of 2005, it started humanitarian logistics and also cash-based humanitarian assistance. It started cash-based assistance and also humanitarian logistics in 2004. In December 26, 2004, it gave the food and it helped for these countries which are on the coast and affected by the tsunami in the Indian Ocean, and 2005 it started cash-based assistance and human logistics. Okay, and in 2008, what happened is that US 500 million US dollars of 500 million by Saudi Arabia Kingdom. Not South Africa, it's Saudi Arabia. Okay, $500 million are contributed by the Saudi Arabia for WFP as the contribution from themselves. Now, in the year of 2009 October month, it started food vouchers via phone. Means, see, up to this, in the 2009 itself, the phone usage is starting slowly. 3G is been going away and 4G is starting evolving in the year of 2009 to 2011. In this, between these, the usage of phones is increasing, and at the time the WFP started food vouchers. Means they started giving food vouchers through the phone. If this voucher is seen, then they will be giving the food from the phone. Okay, in June 10, 2010, what happened is cash. See, in 2009 October, it started giving food vouchers via phone. But in the year of 2010, it's giving cash vouchers via phone. It started giving cash. See, food only used for eating. But when we give cash, then it can be used in many ways. So they started giving cash vouchers via phone in June 10, 2010. Okay, in December 1, 2010, Haiti earthquake. This is also a massive earthquake in the country Haiti. Haiti earthquake in the country of Haiti. This earthquake took place and nearly 230,000 people killed. 230,000 people are killed, and again 12 Jan 2010 they gave nearly 12 Jan 2010 there is an earthquake, and on December 1, 2010 there is another earthquake. This gave 12 magnitude. It is of 12 magnitude. It is of 7 magnitude, and 2/3 of population. 2/3 of population in the area where earthquake took place is affected by the Haiti earthquake. Okay, and in 2011 there is a Syrian conflict in the Syrian conflict in the country of Syria. They helped at this time also. In December 15, 2013, there is a South Sudanese conflict. In South Sudan country. On date of December 15, 2013, there is South Sudan conflict. 30% people, nearly 40% people, not 30, 40% people went into the hungriness. Means they went to the poverty, below poverty line, and this South Sudanese conflict due to, between the opposition and the ruling government. Okay, in April 2014, there is Ebola. April 2014, Ebola virus. Ebola virus in South Africa. Ebola virus in South Africa took place. Nearly 3 million people affected, and there is much hunger, and the WFP have given nearly much tons of wheat and food. And April 25, 2015, Nepal earthquake. There is the Nepal earthquake in our very most neighboring country, that is Nepal country. In the country of Nepal, there is an earthquake on 25th April, and also 12th May. There is two massive earthquakes in Nepal, and 9,000 people killed due to these earthquakes, and 12,000 people are affected. Effectives, injuries and effectives, 9,000 people are killed due to this massive earthquake, and nearly 1,000 crore damage, 1,000 crore rupees of damage is done. And 9th October 2020, this is a special date for WFP because it got the Nobel Peace Prize of 2020 for giving their service in stopping hunger of world, which it should be done by 2030, which is a goal for the event. It have giving the service from the year of 1962, and it will be giving the service up to there is no hunger. Now this is very important because of this is the major program which is started as a 3-year based testing by US. So all credit should be given to the US governor at that time. Thank you a lot.